Hey guys, here's a quick video preview of my digital book companion. You can use it with any book that you want to. This is in edit mode, and most of the time you'll want to be in present mode for this, but let's say you have a story picked out to read with your students, you can come in here and type the question that you're going to want them to answer. And also, the only page that your student would type on would be the cause and effect page, or you can choose to delete those text boxes if you wish. And I will just show you how everything looks in present mode. You would just click to get started, and this just provides visuals to help structure this session. So it doesn't have you answer the questions on the slide, but it gives you something to help keep the session organized and a way to discuss story elements with your students.